Hello everyone, today I would like to share you again. I have the new scan tool THINKCAR. I'm very excited. So I do another car. I do the European car. Now I do the GM car. Let's see how they work. Okay. So let me hook up my scanner on. Let it turn on. Okay. So now I gotta go a little bit lower. I don't know, it can go this way, maybe. Okay, they go together, let's see. Okay, I hooked up the Bluetooth already. This was the wireless Bluetooth. So now what we have to do, we're going to go to VIN, go to auto search. Enter, they auto scan for your American car. Okay, today I have to go back, enter. No, go VIN, they auto search for you. It's very cool, it's very quick too. I'm going to share with you guys because this scanner is very good to tell you the VIN number, Acadia, GMC 12, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's say the auto search. Okay, menu select yes, read the VIN number yes. We didn't know that. They tell you VIN number, GM car, blah blah blah. Yes. Okay, air conditioning, automatic menu, transmission. Go select automatic. So if you go health report and they scan everything, you select scan and they tell you which one you want. But I go all system, they scan everything. Let's see. You see the engine control module fail. Transmission control module fail. It's very cool. Okay, so now they say the control module, they want the evap code 0455, transmission control module 0877 and 0889, flow pressure, switch circuit, they switch circuit, let's say they say low voltage. Okay, so what we have to do, we clear all the lines, see what's going on. Okay, clear first. Yes. Okay, that's good. So now no more code. Okay, what is the report over here? Don't need to. Okay, go back over there and let's see. They have to show. They want a system scan control module. If you go system, they rescan for you. They very much auto scan. So they scan everything. That's very good. I got Paul because we did it. Okay, so we go back over there. So system selection. So now which one you gotta go with, like function, fuel pump, control module, transmission control module. Let's see, go transmission. And the module information, read the data, actually test, special function, reset the transmission adapter. Okay, let me reset this one, let's see. Yes. Okay, reset. And that's it. Command. I did reset. Okay. So now we're going to go back over there. They say transmission oil light reset too. So that transmission, I never see that one before. It's 0%. We have please input the number ran up 0 dash something. I want to know what the number we have to put on. The current valve is 0. Transmission oil light 0. It not make any sense to me. Let me put 100, see what's going on. Please confirm the valve of the input 100%. Yes. Okay. The one I put the transmission oil light 100% right now. Let's see, go back. Okay. They tell you current valve 0 unit percent. Yeah. Okay, we did already. Let's see. Okay, now go back over there. I want to see this one. This one we can test the solenoid, the functional, blah blah blah. Blood pressure control solenoid. Data stream the same. Ship solenoid data. If you let the car run in and you go for work and you check it. That's very cool. Let me see the engine control module. Read data, actually special function. Okay, fuel system. I don't learn reset. I want to relearn this one anyway. Command reset. I think so. We have to let the car run in. Because I didn't let the car run in, they go back. Yes, and now I want to go show it. I want to see the trouble code. Let's see this one. Feedback. Report enter. Then the report blah blah blah. I get to go more on this one. Let's see. User menu. For library. We got to go this one. Open the code for library. So we enter the code. Let's see. I remember not before P0A 87. Let's see. They tell you transmission relay control circuit. Blah 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 blah. If I go 89 circuit, let's see. Transmission relay circuit. Blah blah blah. Have transmission law. The performance system safe. Feel. Oh, that's very cool. They have like it's like a snap on. They have the what they call trouble code. You gotta call trouble code. They're very much the same. But this one, man, it's very cool. I can't believe this one work everything. Maintenance. So I saw yesterday the cluster reset. Let me see. They go to cluster reset. What is that? Gearbox learning. Here, reset, enter. Let's see it work. Man, this one work everything. This liner. functional GM, Audi, GMC, switch ignition on, select the menu, functional Pontiac, everything. Oil reset, man, everything. Buddy, what do you expect? I recommend anyone should be have this one. You got to lay around with this one a lot, but anyway. So window coloration too. They have a window coloration. Steer angle reset, oil reset, language setting, gear learn. Let me see the transmission. They have something that relearn. No. Lining field, clutch marching. How do we do that one? I want to see that. Depend the car. GM. Okay, auto circ, blah 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 blah. Yes. Yes. Auto. Cool. I love it. Function not support. Okay, something not support, that's what they tell you. That's it. Anyway, so that's very good scanner anyway. I recommend it. So we update software, blah 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 blah. Okay. So the scanner is very good. So I recommend anyone should be have this one because I have the Outel, I have to update software, I have to pay for every year for the money for the software to update. So this one we don't need to update. Lifetime update software. You got a THINKCAR. Man, I love it. Thank you for you watching my video. See you next video. I'm going to do any car I make the video. Okay? Thank you. Ciao.